Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have the Redmi 9. Finally, here in Saudi Arabia, we have this color. Actually, guess what color I have? Yep, you know it. This beautiful color. Anyways, before I start, I want to show you something that is called competitive marketing. Now, here you can read with easy access to Google apps you use most. This is basically a punch on Huawei phones, okay? Because they don't have Google Apps, simply put. And then Xiaomi's just capitalized on this. Uh, I thought, I thought China's working together. I don't know. Of Chinese manufacturer. I don't know. Anyways, there is no sympathy. Let's open up the box. Let's see what we have here. And I think we have a TPU case. It must be a TPU case. This box is locked really good. Okay. And what we have here, some papers. We don't need to read any papers, especially if they are in Chinese. And let's see this TPU case. Look at this. Okay, it's rubber. It's not like very sturdy, very tough. No, it's not tough. So on the edges, as you can see, what I really like about Xiaomi and Realme and all some Chinese manufacturer is that the curvature over here is very important, as you can see. So it's very important to have a additional layer on the top here, because when the phone falls on the front, it does protect your phone. And this really happened to my Realme X2 Pro. Yesterday it falls from when I open the car door, it falls on the concrete on the front, and only the TPU case got a little bit small scratch. The phone didn't get hurt at all. So that's why you need a very good high quality TPU case, especially with a sturdy one actually. So let's take a look at the phone here on the front. And this phone actually pretty impressive for some or a couple of reasons. Let's take a look at the stuff here. So we have a 13 megapixel AI quad camera, the 13 megapixel main camera, which is we don't care about. I will tell you later on why we don't care about, and the same time we care about. I'll let you know. And we have a 5,000 huge 5,020 milliamp battery, high capacity with 18-watt fast charging. I'm going to check in the box if we have the 18-watt fast charging. We have a 6.3 or 6.53 Full HD Plus dot drop display. All right, so it's a small notch. You call it drop? It's called notch. Okay. We have now. This is the highlight of the phone. We have a high performance Helio G80. This is the marketed CPU from MediaTek. For a couple of reasons. Now, this is actually optimized for gaming, high performance gaming. At the same time, MediaTek actually working with Google to optimize the Gcam or Google camera into this phone, which I'm gonna get into in the couple of coming videos. So we're gonna break this phone down just like I do with all other phones. So please stay tuned and click on the bell icon, subscribe and share. I'm gonna do a lot of work on this phone. So yeah, that's main highlight. The price is kind of crazy. It's very cheap. So in Saudi riyals, it's 599 Saudi riyals. So when it comes to translate it to US dollars, it is around 140 riyal, $140. Yeah, around that. And you get yourself a 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, which is way better than the 32 gigabyte of storage at 3 gigabyte of RAM. Better performance. This one has a better performance. So let's take a look at the phone in a beautiful color that I actually have. And let's take out the case. Nice. And also let me take out the sticker from the behind. So we can have full look at the back of the phone. Wow, it looks nice. So this is the look on the front. This is the notch, called drop notch. It's actually similar to the Realme X2 Pro that I have. Kinda, twisty. It's not a small one. It's kinda nice. And let's take a look from the top to the bottom. So on the top here, what we have an IR blaster. Nice. We have an IR blaster here. We have a microphone, so if you're using it for remote control as well. On the right side, we have a simply volume up and down and a power button, and it's very nice, clicky. Doesn't have this high sound. Listen to this. Very nice sound. It's muted. So this is on the right side. So on the back, we have a beautiful looking microphones here, dual microphones, and well designed also. We have a headphone jack, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is nice to see. And USB-C, wow. Type-C on this price is kinda rare, but here you go, guys. Redmi delivered. A 3-hole punch-hole microphone speaker here, which seems like it's a good speaker. I hope it's a good speaker. We're gonna test that later on with the speaker face-off with other phones, especially the Alcatel 3X. Yeah. We have a SIM card here, so we're gonna check out this SIM card. Let me see if we have it here. What is it? Oh, we don't have it here. So we're gonna get into it. So just let's take a look at the back first. So here we have the Redmi, as you see, the Redmi 9. Let's just take a look at the camera setup here. So we have let me look at this. What is it? Come on, focus. Anyways, let's take a look at it from this side. So what we have here, we have a camera, AI quad camera, 13 megapixel on the top, ultra wide, a macro, and the depth sensor. And we have a fingerprint sensor, as you can see from here. Now the back is not glass. It's I think it's a plastic, but it has this texture. You see this texture over here? This is texture where you can do. So that's the DJ. This is the DJ back. Call it the DJ back. You can do some DJ work over here. Yeah. So that's the color as well. It shifts just like this, totally matte. You don't see fingerprints here, no problem at all. And yeah, that's it. Made in China. That's the phone. So let's take a look at the SIM ejector tool and see what we have from the inside. Let's take out the SIM card. Where is the SIM card? What? There's no SIM card. Yeah, I found it. Okay. Let's take a look here. Okay, see? Now, one positive thing about Xiaomi is that they have the microSD card included separately, or actually separated than in the SIM card. So you have dual SIM cards and a microSD card as well. So do they have the rubber here? Let me just check. I don't see a rubber. Is this a rubber? No, it isn't. So there is no rubber here. So be careful not to drop it in water or something, because it's not IP rated, and it's not. Let's just call it rubberized. Okay, let's take it back. Put it back. Okay, guys, this is the phone. Let's see if there is a power. Is there a power? Yep. There is power, and powered by Android. Let's just wait and see what we have here. But let's open the box, see what else we have. We have a USB Type-C charging cable, and we have the power bank brick or power brick. And let's take a look at how much watts we have here. So this phone pulls around 5 volts, 2 watts. Alright, so they didn't actually provide us with the 18 watts. This is the 10 watts, as you can see, 5 volt 2 amp, unfortunately. Yep, so I think they reserved the 18 watts for the higher version one, which is the 128 gigabytes version. But nevertheless, you have this thing over here. By the way, they said that you don't have, is there? Yeah, let me just double check, because this told me that there is no headphones. It doesn't come with the headphones. Nope. Let me double check. Double check. Nope. Yep. So it doesn't come with the headphones, guys. So be careful, just in case. Life got easier. So we have all the languages because this is the international version. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you guys later.